What method is used to detect the thermal discharge of a built-in fire extinguisher system? A rupture of the red plastic disc in the thermal discharge line. An anti-skid system is designed to sense the deceleration rate of every main landing gear wheel and release the pressure at a slightly lower value when a skid is detected. The circuit breaker in the instrument lighting system protects the wiring from too much current. The electronic type file quantity indicating system consists of a bridge circuit and an amplifier, an indicator L, and a tank unit. When inspecting a removable rigid fuel tank for leaks, what procedure should be followed? Pressurize the tank with air and brush with soapy water. A typical large transport aircraft fuel manifold system allows how many of the following? All four. Pick all four. Where may a person look for the information necessary to determine the required markings on an engine instrument? Aircraft Flight Manual and Aircraft Maintenance Manual. The function of a display controller in an EFIS is to allow the pilots to select the appropriate system configuration for the current flight situation. When purging a Freon air conditioning system, it is important to release the charge at a slow rate. What is the reason for the slow rate discharge? Prevent excessive loss of refrigerant oil. Usually bleed air from a gas turbine engine compressor can be safely used for cabin pressurization. Independent cabin condition air machines air can be powered by bleed air from an aircraft turbine engine compressor. Both of these statements are true. The basic air cycle cooling system consists of a source of compressed air, heat exchangers, and a turbine. A loud hammering noise in a hydraulic system having an accumulator usually indicates to low or no preload in the accumulator. Hydraulic system accumulators serve which of the following functions? Dampen pressure surges. Supplement the system pump when demand is beyond the pump's capacity. Store power for limited operation of components if the pump is not operating. Only these three, not the fourth. An aircraft pneumatic system which incorporates an engine-driven multi-stage reciprocating compressor also requires a moisture separator. Where is the buttock line or butt line of an aircraft? A width measurement left or right of, and parallel to, the vertical center line. If the right wing of a monoplane is improperly rigged to a greater angle of incidence than designated in the manufacturer's specifications, it will cause the airplane to be off balance both laterally and directionally. Annealing of aluminum removes stresses caused by forming. Clad aluminum alloys are used in aircraft because they have surface layers of pure aluminum or aluminum alloy bonded to the core material to inhibit corrosion. What is the minimum edge distance allowed for aluminum alloy single lap sheet splices containing a single row of rivets as compared to join with multiple rows, all rivets being equal in diameter? The minimum edge distance for the single row is equal to that for the multiple row. Superficial scars, scratches, surface abrasion, or rain erosion on fiberglass laminates can generally be repaired by applying one or more coats of suitable resin room temperature catalyzed to the surface.